Hey there moneymakers and traffic optimizers, welcome back to my channel where we explore the best ways to turn your online hustle into real income. Today we are talking about Webvõrk, a direct network that focuses on the ever profitable Nutra, health and beauty niche. Whether you are a rookie media buyer or a seasoned pro, stick around and I'll show you exactly why Webvõrk could be your next big thing. Segment 1, Overview, why Webvõrk? So let's start with the basics. If you are looking to profit in the health and beauty sector, think weight loss, vision improvements, skincare, Webvõrk is a direct affiliate program that's been delivering awesome results for affiliates worldwide. And trust me, when it comes to making money online, the only thing we like better than results is pizza. But hey, results that pay for that pizza are also pretty great. Alright, back to business. Here's why Webvõrk stand out. Number 1, high quality Nutra offers. They have over 200 health and beauty offers with high conversion rates. Number 2, competitive CPA payouts. You can earn up to 65 euros and sometimes even more per each lead. Number 3, strong approval rates. We are talking about a 35% plus approval rate, which means more confirmed sales, more cashing. Number 4, Tier 1 geos. They focus on Europe and other high quality markets where consumers are primed to spend. Number 5, frequent offer updates. You get real in-demand products, no old tire deals that nobody wants. Now, think of these features like the icing on the cake, except in this case, the cake is also profitable. So, win-win, right? Segment 2, getting started, newbie perks, exclusive bonuses for new affiliates. New to Webvõrk? Great news. They offer exclusive increased payouts for new affiliates. Just talk to your personal manager and they will hook you up with that welcome bonus. It's kind of like walking into a theme park and finding out you get unlimited free rides on day 1. Who says no to that? All you have to do is register on their website, link up with your affiliate manager, and boom, you are set up. No top secret handshakes required. Though, if you have a secret handshake, feel free to impress your manager anyway. Segment 3, offers overview. What can you promote? Let's talk offers, because let's face it, you can't be an affiliate if you don't know what you are promoting. Webvõrk has a diverse range of Nutra products, especially those focuses on men's health, blood sugar control, weight management, and joint care. Here are some of the standouts. Number 1, Prostatecom, Target France. These are capsules for prostatitis that supports prostate health. A must-have for a large audience segment. Number 2, Erectron Active for Italy. This is male energy activator for improving men's performance. This one is always in demand. Number 3, Insulinorm, good for Germany. These are capsules for blood sugar control, a top priority for anyone monitoring their glucose levels. Germany is a prime geo, so keep an eye on this. Number 4, Curcuma Complex Weight Loss, recommended for Italy for best performance. This is for weight control capsules, leveraging the power of turmeric for fat burning and metabolism boosting. It's perfect for that health conscious crowd. Number 5, Ultraflex Active, recommended Italy as target. It's cream for healthy joints and ligaments, especially used for people with active lifestyle or age-related joint concerns. Fun fact, half of my friends are always complaining about sore knees, so they could definitely use something like Ultraflex Active, right? Now, if only there was a product for day after leg day soreness. All these offers run on cash on delivery card model, meaning you get paid for confirmed order, not just leads. COD often translates into high conversions because buyers only pay upon delivery. Less risk for them, more payout for you. That's synergy, baby. Segment number 4, working conditions. What you need to know. Now let's talk business logistics. Here are Webvõrk's main conditions for affiliates. Number 1, the minimum payout threshold is $60 bucks. Number 2, payment frequency is weekly. You can request it too. Number 3, payment methods are web money, wire transfer, e-payments, PayPal. Pick your favorite. Number 4, Webvrk commission 5% of your Webvrk partner's income. Number 5, tracking, a proprietary platform with detailed statistics and an API. No guesswork here. Number 6, support. Each affiliate gets a personal manager to help with all that optimization and troubleshooting. It's like having your own personal trainer, but instead of helping you to do squats, they are helping you flex your earning power, which honestly, I find more motivating than burpees any day. Segment 5, real affiliates, real feedback. Let's break out the receipts, shall we? Here's what actual Webvõrk partners have to say. They come from Johnny. They have very cool support, manager work, affiliates themselves, so they really get it. Great call center, high rates that don't get cut, and they can bump rates if you perform well. I like that. Another feedback from Christine. I've worked with 2 other affiliate programs in the past 2 years, and Webvõrk is better in almost every way, though I wish the payouts came sooner than 2 weeks. Other than that, they are top notch. Another feedback from Mike. Excellent neutral affiliate network. They are direct advertisers, have amazing tech support, and even their own call center. Feedback like that is music to an affiliate's ears, right? Because nothing says legit network like hearing from real people who are actually cashing out. Segment 6, tips for success with Webvõrk. Now that you know what Webvõrk is all about, here are some tips to help maximize your profits. Number 1, choose your geos wisely. Webvõrk shines in Tier 1 countries such as France, Italy, Germany, and each market has its own nuances, so research what resonates best. Number 2, leverage COD. The cash on delivery model can boost conversion rates. Make sure your creatives highlight pay upon delivery if the offers allows it. Number 3, use the provided creatives. Webvõrk gives you top-notch landing pages, pre-landers, banners, and videos. Don't reinvent the wheel here. Save time, run those proven assets. Number 4, test multiple offers. One offer might rock in Italy, but flop in Germany, so diversify is the key. Launch small test campaigns, figure out your winners, and scale up. Number 5, stay in touch with your manager. They can help you with everything from custom landing pages to increase rates. Think of them as your Webvõrk BFF. Just don't forget their birthday. Just kidding. They will still help you out. You don't want to be that person who only calls their manager to say, give me more money. Trust me, a little courtesy goes a long way in this business. Segment 7, common challenges and how to overcome them. Even the best affiliate networks have hiccups. Here's what to watch out for. Restricted geos. Some offers only work in specific countries. Always double check you are running your campaigns where the offer is valid. May sound stupid, but double check your targets. Delayed payouts. Certain affiliates mention a 2-week payment cycle. Now, plan your cash flow accordingly and talk to your manager if you need more frequent payouts. Competition. High-paying offers attract a lot of affiliates. Stand out with better ads, better angles, or localized content. At the end of the day, remember that every challenge is a chance to become a better marketer. Kind of like how that heartbreak in high school made you a better partner eventually. So that's the deal on Webvõrk, a direct affiliate network that's making waves in the neutral space. Now, with high payouts, top-tier offers, and hands-on support, it's absolutely worth checking out if you are looking to diversify and scale your campaigns. Plus, their cash-on-delivery model is a huge bonus for affiliates who crave for strong conversion rates. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, to share it, and of course subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and here's wishing you that sweet affiliate income. Now go make some money. Pizza's on you next time. See you.